Today I'm going to go over great gift giving ideas for young teenage girls. Every item in this haul is useful, practical, and guaranteed to bring an item to a teenager girl. I know this because I have one living around here. I hope you like the items that I selected for you to consider. And if you're not a Temu person already, don't forget to click on my link or use my code to get a 30% discount, which follows here in a few seconds. And then if you can think of any other items that you think would be a great addition to this list, please leave a comment below letting us know what that item is. A link as well if you have one, but not necessary, because other people are going to be looking for ideas and they'll be reading through the comments as well. So all your great ideas will come in useful to somebody. Thank you so much and enjoy the video. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Marie and the name of my channel is MH Trendy Finds, or just Trendy Finds. I have a special video today brought to you by Temu, of course. We are going to go over some really great gift ideas for young teenage ladies. Now, you know, Temu is a marketplace that sells just about anything, but it can be overwhelming. Yeah, sometimes you just have to know what you're looking for. So the first thing I'm going to go over, we don't necessarily need prices for all these things, because the thing with Temu is the prices are up and down. There's so many vendors, they're trying to keep up with each other, and the prices change, they fluctuate. So what the price is today, it will not necessarily be that tomorrow. So Temu is a great place to shop, especially for the holidays or birthdays or events. You know, you can find, I mean, I'm not exaggerating when I say you can find just about anything. Rare items, which I've been impressed with. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to start with this bag. Now this bag currently is $10.79. It's beautiful, it's fluffy, it's got pom-poms for handles. What teenage girl wouldn't love to have this bag to carry her books to school? It's fully lined with a suede lining, very soft. It's machine washable. It has a slip pocket inside and it's snap closure. It is a shoulder bag, and that is what the teenagers like to have. They like to have the shoulder bags. So this is a great option. Now, if you're a bargain hunter, while this may be $10.79 right now, I have seen it as low as $7. So that would make for a great gift. Temu has a lot of great shoulder bag options for consideration for the kids for school. Next, of course, they've got eyelashes in all different sizes, and teenage girls are starting to experiment with eyelashes and things of that nature. So you get some nice eyelashes, and you can get half eyelashes or you can get whole eyelashes. But yeah, eyelashes are a good option. They may want to buy those themselves. Then they have all different types of head wraps for girls. I don't know if you thought of that, but head wraps are a good option. Also, teenagers like to use the star pimple patches. You know, we have the little round ones, but they also have them in pink stars, and the young ladies love this. Then you can get headbands for washing the face, spa bands. Yeah, let's call them spa bands for now. You can get a plain one like this, going up to as fancy as something like this, which is absolutely adorable. That is really adorable. It's cotton, soft, stretchy, perfect. I'm not going to try any of this on. Then, of course, you've got makeup. What young lady doesn't love makeup? So we've got here Senna DU Liquid Metal Lipstick. I'm not sure if, so that will be that color right there. And there are all types of options, all types of options. Then you've got your designer dupes, which the girls love that as well. So we're gonna open this up. This is a Selena Gomez dupe. Look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. That is made by Huda Beauty. And they have these in 3 or 4 options. And then you've got headbands like this and wristbands so that they don't get water down their sleeve when they're washing their face. They have all different types of hair barrettes and barrettes options. And then they have pink Q-tips. Pink Q-tips, yes. Teenage girls are going to love that. Pink Q-tips. It didn't come with a jar. I got the jar separately, but yes, that's a wonderful option. And then when they're traveling, how can they take all this with them? You get them a shower bag with their initial on it. They have other ones that don't have an initial. This one opens from the bottom, and it has a little hook that they hang it up, and then they work with all their things. So, of course, they also have hair ties, soap, traveling soap. This is strawberry. They have it in lemon and a few other fragrances. Travel toothbrush container or makeup brush container. Sanitary bag holders. And makeup brush holders. And then on the side of this bag, they have a brush holder on both sides. Temu also has a load of tumblers, all types of tumblers, all kinds of colors, glitter, no glitter, you name it, they got tumblers. But they also have straw toppers, and here's a Hello Kitty one, which is absolutely adorable. I think this is the best one I've seen. Very good quality, very nice, very nice. And then here is a tumbler draining pad, Here is a tumbler draining pad where you put your tumbler upside down on here, you put the lid here and the straw here, so they can keep that by the sink and when they're not using their tumbler. This is a dog who is in desperate need of a haircut. Also, they have pins. Now this pin says smart girls read books and listen to Taylor. So this is good. This is two different options here. They have all types of pins, plus they have all kinds of items for your favorite celebrities. Most of the most popular ones, of course. This would be good for a Swiftie fan. Again, it says smart girls read books and listen to Taylor. They also have cute little novelty items like this. This is an audio lollipop. Listen to music through your mouth. Rock music, tasty sounds. It's blueberry flavor. It's a lollipop. And as they're enjoying their lollipop, they will hear music. Something fun for the kids to mess around with. Hi. I love you too. I do. You need a bathtub. Yeah, bathtub for sure. And then, of course, they have all types of bookmarks are an option. A book, a journal, and bookmarks are a wonderful option for gifts. This one just happens to be Swiftie one as well. But these come in all colors. This would be good for a boy or a girl. This is a suede cover though. Very pretty. They also have all kinds of novelty earrings. These are gummy bears. Gummy bears are adorable. And this is a coat hook or a phone thing. It's just amazing the type of items that Temu has. Now, Temu has wallet options along with purses. But you can get pretty inexpensive if you look. If you use the sort filter and filter from low to high, you can find inexpensive things like this one that I found for 78 cents. It says Forever Lovely, designed for Madly. I don't know what all that means, but it's a pink wallet. You open it up, and it's got a place for credit cards, billfolds, ID, and this was 78 cents. You can't beat that. All right. Here's another novelty item with a lot of styrofoam. Oh, it's a silver one. Oh, I wonder if I should switch this for mine. I will let her make that choice. So then you've got cute little novelty items for their rooms. But they would love this. All young girls love to have one of these. This is a great gift option. And these come in gold, black, white, and silver. And I believe I've even seen multicolor ones. Clothing. Oh, they have all kinds of clothing. I know the young kids are all into the no-show socks. So, some of these are some good options. It's really nice, thin, makes you feel like you're not wearing anything at all. And then, of course, they've got normal socks, which tend to keep you a little warmer. The quality on these things are amazing. These are kitty cat socks. They're pink and white. They're just adorable, all types of shapes and sizes. Very nice indeed. Another good option because you know they're going to need socks. Righty. Plenty of socks, and socks are really inexpensive, no matter what kind of socks you choose. They're pretty much inexpensive. You can get cheap socks on Temu. Temu is great for socks. You can get novelty shirts like this. Here's a happy birthday one. You can get all types of things like that. You can get pajamas, adorable ball pajamas. This is a kitty cat pajama set. Isn't that adorable? What teenager isn't going to love that? Well, one who likes cats. So that's the top. And these are the bottom. That is precious. Yes, so pajama options, cosmetics, book bags, novelty items, wallet, you name it. There are a lot of options on Temu for you to shop for your young lady in your life. So thank you for watching today. I'm going to have more like these. I'm going to have a series, maybe once a month or more until we get closer to Christmas, for special gift ideas for that special someone in your life. So thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate that. And if you want to see some more, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, hit one of the like buttons on the way out. So I've shown you a lot of great gift options for your young teenage girls. If you have any additional recommendations, leave them below in the comments. I want to thank you for taking time out of your schedule to watch my video today. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, if you wouldn't mind hitting one of the like buttons on your way out, top or bottom, doesn't matter. Just as long as there's some interaction between us, I'd appreciate that. Also, if you like my video and you'd like to see some more of these gift option videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button, and you'll receive a notice every time I upload a video. Until the next video, thank you again for watching. Take care of each other, and please come back and visit me. I'd love to see you again. Easy, easy.